Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. If you're a Jeep Wrangler owner or a DIY enthusiast, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the fuse box diagram for the Jeep Wrangler models from 2007 to 2018. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might be facing with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Jeep Wrangler DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you run into any fuse-related issues in your Jeep Wrangler? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.